Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you what to do if your SOUNDCORE aeroFit Pro headphones keep disconnecting. So at first, make sure that this issue is not because of your phone itself. Try checking just your phone. So if you are sure that it's not your phone, try turning off and the Bluetooth. Try just resetting the device. But if you're sure that this is not the device, we can manage our headphones. So at first, what I recommend doing is to charge your headphones up to 100%. Sometimes it just happens when your headphones are just out of the battery. If it still doesn't work, what I do recommend doing is to do a factory reset. Open your caselet and hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds to factory reset them. And once done, they should work. If they still don't work, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.